Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled to have you here today. The word of the day is applicant, a B2 level noun that means a person applying for something. Let's dive right in and unpack this word. An applicant is someone who submits a request, usually in a formal way, for something like a job, a program, or even a loan. This word often pops up in professional and educational contexts. For example, if someone is looking for a job, they are referred to as an applicant during the hiring process. It's straightforward, but very versatile. Some synonyms for applicant include candidate, petitioner, and seeker. For instance, the company interviewed 5 candidates for the marketing position. Or, the petitioner submitted all the necessary documents for the scholarship. You might also say, as a job seeker, it's important to have a strong resume. On the flip side, an antonym for applicant is employer or even hiring manager, as these are the individuals or entities reviewing the applications. For example, the employer was impressed by the candidate's qualifications. You could also say, the hiring manager sent an email to inform the applicants about the interview schedule. In everyday life, the word applicant might come up when discussing job hunting, college admissions, or even housing applications. For example, the university received hundreds of applications, but only the most qualified applicants were accepted. Or, every applicant needs to provide 2 references for the rental property. Here are a few more examples of applicant in sentences. Each applicant is required to fill out an online form before the deadline. The company provides a detailed guide for applicants on their website. As an applicant, it's crucial to follow up after an interview to express your interest. To recap, today's word, applicant, is a noun that describes a person applying for something. We've explored its meaning, learned some synonyms and antonyms, and looked at how it's used in daily life. Thanks so much for joining me on this episode of Hello Word. If you enjoyed this podcast, please subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. I'd also love for you to create your own sentence using applicant and share it as a comment. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the wonderful world of words.